You need to check, log, and document all your things, processes, and services. Searching for your logs, documents, or inspection dates for your things, processes, and services takes a lot of time and energy. Searching for the locations and identifying your things, processes, and services is lengthy, strenuous, or difficult. Both the training of your colleagues and the handling of your inspections takes valuable time throughout the company. Do your own thing. PVS provides you with a digital, self-explanatory, platform-independent application, which saves you, your coworkers, and your customers a lot of time, energy, and money. You want to manage your own things, processes, and services autonomously? No big thing with PVS Plus. And with PVS Pro, you can also offer this service to your own customers. You can even offer the basic functions of PVS to your customers for free as an extra service. Just ask us. We will show you and demonstrate PVS as a live application, on-site, or via video call. Do your own thing.